Om Swastiastu. Perkenalkan, saya Putu Eka Sekiawati, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan Ketiga tahun 2021 pada jurusan Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha dengan nomor UKG 20150320749. Pada hari ini, Senin, tanggal 18 Oktober 2021, saya akan melakukan praktik uji kinerja. Selamat menyaksikan. Om Santi 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 Om. Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm good.
I'm great.
And how about you?
How about you? Fine.
I'm very well, thank you. So, are you ready for our class today?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, I'm ready, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Well, do you have any problem maybe about your internet?
Everything is
No,
okay.
Miss.
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay? So I hope that this activity will run well and the connection will be okay for today. Alright, so before we start our activities, could you please, one of you, help me in praying together? Yuni, could you please help me in praying together?
Yes, Miss. Berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai.
Okay, thank you very much, Yuni. Is everybody here today in this class?
Yes, Miss. Semua hadir.
Yes, Miss. Semua hadir.
Okay, semuanya hadir. Let me check you one by one. Reina,
Yes, Miss.
Della,
Yes, Miss.
Febri,
Yes, Miss.
Ferdian,
Yes, Miss.
Yuni,
Yes, Miss.
Artika,
Yes, Miss.
Widyastini,
Yes, Miss.
Sylvie.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Jadi semuanya hadir ya hari ini ya.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so today I will give you a new topic. And then before we talk about this topic, I just want to give you some questions. Okay, so for the first question, do you have any plan after graduating from school or from SMK?
Yes, Miss. I
Yes,
have.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. I have.
Miss, No. I have.
Yes. And then what job do you want to have in the future?
I want to be a receptionist in hotel, Miss.
Okay, Sylvie wants to be a receptionist in hotel. Okay, good. How about another student?
I want to be a guide, Miss.
Okay, Ferdian wants to be a guide.
Yes.
Okay, now let's talk about the tour guide. What does a tour guide do in his or her job?
They explain about the tourism object.
Okay, so they explain about the tourism object. Good. Well, for the next activity, I just want to give you some pictures and try to analyze those pictures. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
ready, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay, I will share the picture now. Wait a minute. Can you see the picture here?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, I can see, Miss.
That's you, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay, so what are the pictures about?
It is about iklan, Miss.
Iklan? Okay, it's iklan or advertisement. How about another student?
It is about lowongan pekerjaan, Miss.
Okay, it's about lowongan pekerjaan. So what is lowongan pekerjaan in English?
It is job vacancy, Miss.
Okay, good. So lowongan pekerjaan in English is job vacancy. Okay, as you can see here, what should you prepare when you want to apply for the job?
We should prepare the application letter, CV, and documents, Miss.
Okay, very good. We should prepare the application letter and then the CV and also the documents. You said we have to prepare the application letter. Then what is application letter actually?
It is the letter that we write and send when we want to apply for the job, Miss.
Okay, very good. So, application letter is a letter that we send or write when we want to apply for a certain job. Nah, jadi kalau application letter itu berbeda ya dengan surat-surat lainnya. Kalau kalian misalnya membuat surat seperti surat izin tidak hadir ke sekolah, itu berbeda juga dengan surat lamaran. Nah, pernah buat surat cinta atau tidak?
Tidak, Miss.
Tidak, Miss.
Tidak pernah buat surat cinta. Nah, kalau surat cinta itu kan tidak formal. Nah, kalau misalnya surat lamaran itu bersifat formal. Nah, itu juga berbeda dia ya, antara formal dan tidak formal. Begitu. Oke, so I think that's all about those pictures. Wait a minute, I will stop the screen now. Okay, so before we move to the next activity, I just want to tell you about the purpose, the benefits, and also the process of our teaching learning activities. Alright, for the first activity, you have to analyze the video. And then for the second activity, I will give you a text in which you have to analyze the following text according to the parts of application letter and also the important informations of the text. So for the third activity, you will have a discussion in which you have to make an application letter based on the job vacancy that I will share later in the LKPD. Remember that after you make the application letter, you have to present what you have done in your group. Okay? Do you understand about those activities?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do, Miss.
Okay, let's have the first video and then you have to analyze that video. Are you ready to watch the video?
Yes, I'm ready, Miss.
Yes, Miss, I'm ready.
Okay, so wait a minute, I will share the video. Okay, I will play the video now. Okay, that's all about the video. Now, could you please tell me what is the video about?
Yes, Miss. It is about parts of application letters, Miss.
Okay, so the video is about the parts of application letter. And then can you tell me what are the parts of application letter?
The parts of application letter are heading, body of letter, salutation, and closing, Miss.
Okay, how about other students?
They are complementary, signature, body of the letter, and salutation.
So actually, for the parts of application letters, there are 5 parts of application letters. They are, the first one is heading, and then the second one is salutation, the third one is body of the letter, and then the fourth one is complementary clause, and the last one is signature. Yeah, so you have 5 parts of application letter. Nah, jadi ada 5 di situ ya yang harus dibuat secara berurutan ataupun disebutkan nanti pada saat kalian membuat application letternya harus dibuat secara berurutan seperti itu. Ya, jangan di mix ataupun diloncat-loncatin. Misalnya kamu buat body of the letter dulu, kemudian heading, nah itu salah. Seharusnya heading dulu, kemudian salutation, kemudian body of the letter, lalu complementary clause, dan yang terakhir baru yang namanya signature. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, I do, Miss.
Yes, I do.
Okay. So then, what should you have in heading?
The address of the sender, the date, and also the address of the company, Miss.
Okay, very good. So in heading, we should have the address of the sender, and then we should have the date of the letter, and then the last one, we should have the address of the receiver. Remember that you have to put the full name of the receiver and also the sender. Nah, jadi untuk pada bagian headingnya itu, selain alamat, kalian juga harus mencantumkan nama pengirim dan penerima yang lengkap. Nah, kalau misalnya nama penerimanya itu tidak ada, nah kamu bisa menambahkan misalnya seperti manager ataupun personal manager. Nah, itu kan kita tidak tahu misalnya siapa nama dari personal manager ataupun manajernya. Kemudian baru ditambahkan alamatnya. Begitu ya. And then for the date, nah kalian sudah lihat pada video, on the video you have 2 different kinds of the date of the letter. Nah, kalian bisa menggunakan bentuk yang British maupun yang American. Okay, so now how about the body of the letter? What should you have in the body of the letter?
Right, Miss. In the body of the letter, we have opening, middle, and closing paragraph.
Okay, very good. So in the body of the letter, we should have opening paragraph, middle paragraph, and also the last one is closing paragraph. Okay, for the opening paragraph, we can see it in the first paragraph. Nah, biasanya untuk yang paragraf pertama itu atau yang kita sebut dengan opening paragraph, nah itu memuat tentang informasi mengenai di manakah kamu mendapatkan berita ataupun iklan dari job vacancy-nya. Nah, misalnya kalian menemukan iklan ataupun iklan dari job vacancy-nya itu di internet atau misalnya di radio, atau kalian misalnya menemukannya di koran ataupun majalah. Nah, kalian sebutkan itu pada paragraf pertama atau di opening paragraph. Okay? Nah, and then how about for the second paragraph? What should you have or what should you write in the second paragraph?
Pengalaman bekerja, educational background, terus achievement, dan another information.
Okay, untuk paragraf kedua, in paragraph 2, we should write about the educational background, about your skill, about your achievement, or about your work experience. Okay, jadi untuk paragraf kedua itu isinya adalah mengenai work experience atau yang kita sebut dengan pengalaman kerja. Nah, misalnya pengalaman kerjanya itu adalah kalian pada perusahaan sebelumnya kalian menempati posisi sebagai manajer selama 3 tahun. Nah, kalian bisa sebutkan ataupun sampaikan pada paragraf kedua. Kemudian untuk skillnya adalah misalnya kalian memiliki kemampuan di bidang IT, atau misalnya bahasa yang kalian mampu ataupun kalian gunakan secara fasih, seperti kalian mampu menggunakan bahasa Inggris ataupun bahasa Jepang, both written or spoken. Kalian bisa sebutkan juga pada paragraf kedua. Begitu ya. Kemudian untuk yang educational background, ya kalian bisa sebutkan misalnya kalian lulusan dari mana. Kalau lulusan dari SMK, sampaikan juga di paragraf kedua. lulusan universitas juga sampaikan di paragraf kedua. Begitu ya. How about the third paragraph? Nah, kalau untuk yang paragraf ketiga itu adalah memuat rasa terima kasih kalian kepada penerima surat karena telah membaca surat yang kalian kirimkan. Kemudian kalian juga harus mencantumkan harapan kalian agar nanti bisa diwawancarai ataupun dihubungi untuk melakukan wawancara. Okay, do you understand about the body of the letter?
Yes, I do, Miss.
Okay, good. And then now we will talk about the salutation and complimentary clause. What is the difference between complimentary clause and salutation?
Kalau salutation itu seperti salam pembuka, kalau complementary itu seperti salam penutup. Benar gitu, Miss?
Oke, thank you Artika. Jadi untuk yang salutation itu adalah salam pembuka, kemudian yang complimentary clause-nya itu adalah salam penutup. Ya, itu sudah benar ya. And then how about the signature? Nah, kalau untuk signature ini juga berbeda ya. In which if you want to if you want to write an application letter electronically or through email, you do not need to sign this letter. Sedangkan kalau misalnya kalian menulis surat tersebut dan dikirimkan melalui pos, nah, kalian harus tetap memberikan tanda tangan ataupun menambahkan tanda tangan pada surat lamaran kalian. Begitu. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any problem or questions about parts of application letter?
No, I don't, Miss.
No, I don't, Miss.
Okay, so now we will move to the next activity. As I said before, you will have a text. Here you have to analyze the following text, in which you have to find the parts of application letters of this text, and also you have to find the important informations of this text. Do you understand?
Yes, I do, Miss.
Yes, I do, Miss.
Okay, so I will share the text now through the PowerPoint. Wait a minute. Okay, can you see the text here?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Alright, so I will give you around 5 minutes to read this text, and then we will discuss about this text later. Okay, you may read the text now. Okay, have you finished reading the text?
Yes, I have finished, Miss.
Yes, I have, Miss.
Okay, let's discuss about this text now. So could you please mention the parts of application letter of this text?
Yes, Miss. For the heading, April 3rd, 2021, the date of the letter, Personal Director, PT Gemilang Sejahtera, Jakarta. The salutation, Dear Sir or Madam. The body of the letter, opening paragraph. I read the Metro Post that on March 29, 2021, which state that your company needs a finance manager. For the middle paragraph, I'm hardworking and will always be responsible for my job. And for the closing paragraph, I have enclosed my curriculum vitae and I would welcome. For the complimentary clause, yours sincerely, and signature, there is no signature in the text.
Okay, thank you very much, Rena. Very good. And then now, can you tell me how do you explain about the Tika's work experience?
Tika worked as general staff and finance manager for 3 years, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Ferdian. As you can see in the second paragraph, Tika worked as general staff and finance manager. And for the finance manager, worked for about 3 years on the previous company. And then, why did Tika leave her previous job?
Because of her marriage, Miss.
Okay, because of her marriage. Could you please tell me which sentence that shows your answer?
I have to move here due to my marriage.
Okay, very good. So as you can see there, Tika left her previous job because she has to move to another place because of her marriage. Begitu ya? Okay, thank you Yuni. And then could you please now tell me what will the personal director do after reading the letter?
Reply the letter, Miss.
I beg your pardon?
Reply the letter, Miss.
Okay, reply the letter. How about another student?
Call for the interview, Miss.
Okay, call for the interview. Makanya pada paragraf ketiga itu Tika mengharapkan adanya panggilan berupa interview untuk kegiatan berikutnya. Begitu. Okay? Do you understand now about the application letter?
Yes, I do, Miss.
Alright, so we will move to the next activity. As I said before, you will have a discussion. For this discussion, you will do discussion in your group, in which I have divided you into 3 groups before. And then those groups consist of 2 until 3 students. Nah, kenapa Ibu kemarin saya bagi kita tidak membuang-buang waktu untuk membuat kelompok lagi pada hari ini? Okay, do you still remember your group?
Yes, I still remember, Miss.
Okay, before we move to the discussions activity, I will share the LKPD first. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will share the LKPD in our WhatsApp group. So I have shared the LKPD in our WhatsApp group. Could you please now check your LKPD? Okay, so I will also share the task on the PowerPoint. Can you see the PowerPoint here?
Yes, I can see, Miss.
Yes, Miss. I can.
Ya, oke. Jadi ini sama ya seperti pada LKPD kalian. Apakah sudah dibuka LKPD-nya?
Sudah, Miss.
Ya, jadi isinya ini sama ya. Siapa tahu kalian ada yang sulit ataupun kesulitan untuk membuka LKPD-nya. Jadi Ibu share juga pada PowerPoint di sini. Okay, as you can see on task 1, you have some pictures of job vacancies, and then you also have the instructions. For the instruction, you have to make a small group which consists of 3 or 2 students. Nah, untuk grupnya di sini kan kemarin Ibu sudah bentuk kalian menjadi 3 grup yang terdiri dari 2 sampai 3 orang. And then now you have to choose one of the pictures given. Nah, sekarang kalian harus memilih untuk job vacancy yang akan kalian gunakan dalam menulis surat lamarannya. Kira-kira untuk job vacancy pertama, kelompoknya siapa?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, siapa?
Della sama Artike.
Oke, berarti untuk yang job vacancy pertama adalah Della, Artike, dan Widyasini.
Alright, Miss.
Okay, so how about the second job vacancy?
Saya, Miss, sama Rena.
Oke, Rena sama siapa ini?
Febri.
Rena sama Febri berarti job vacancy yang kedua. Lalu berarti untuk job vacancy yang ketiga ada siapa saja?
Ferdian, Silvi, dan Yuni, Miss.
Ferdian, Sylvie, and Yuni. And then for the third activity, try to make an application letter based on the information of the job vacancy that you choose before. Nah, kemudian untuk yang poin keempat di sini ataupun instruction yang keempat, memuat beberapa poin-poin yang dimana poin-poin ini akan membantu kalian dalam membuat application letternya. Start from write your address and then write the address of the company. And then the third one is write down any necessary information in the opening of the letter. And then for the fourth part is you have to write down information to indicate that your capability matches the position. And for the fifth point is you have to write down any necessary information in the closing. And then the last one, you have to sign your application letter. Nah, untuk yang instruksi yang keempat inilah yang akan membantu kalian step-stepnya apa saja yang harus diisi dalam application letter kalian. Okay, I will stop the screen now. So, do you have any problem or questions about this task?
Miss, apakah ada contoh application letternya, Miss?
Oke, untuk contoh application letternya itu sudah Ibu tambahkan ataupun Ibu berikan ya di LKPD pada bagian atasnya sebelum task 1. Nah, itu bisa kalian gunakan sebagai contoh kalian, tetapi ingat kalian harus tetap menggunakan urutan ataupun poin-poin yang terdapat pada instruksi keempat. Ya, jadi instruksi keempat itulah yang akan membantu kalian dalam membuat application letternya. Oke? Do you have another question?
No, I don't, Miss.
Don't miss.
I don't.
No, I don't miss.
Okay, so now you have to do your discussions for about 20 minutes. You may leave this room now. And then remember that you have to enter this room after 20 minutes because you have to present what you have done in your group. Okay, are you ready for your discussion?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
ready,
I'm
Miss.
ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so you may leave the room now. Okay, so have you finished your work?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. So, who wants to be the first group?
My group, Miss, with article and Della.
I beg your pardon?
My group, Miss, with article and Della.
Okay, yes, please. Widya Sini, Artikel, and Rena. Could you please share your work now?
Sebentar, Miss.
So, which job vacancy that you get?
Job vacancy yang pertama, Miss.
Okay, the first job vacancy. Alright, so who wants to be the first speaker?
Della.
Della, yes, please, Della.
Okay, May 5th, 2021. Head Manager Air Hotel Rancamaya Bogor. Dear Sir or Madam, I am right to express my interest in applying as pastry chef that was advertised on your website on May 12, 2021. I have completed my study in reputable hotel institution in 2015. I have enclosed my curriculum vitae which shows considerable experience I possess for the position.
Okay, thank you, Della. So, who will be the second speaker?
Saya, Miss.
Yes, please.
I have 2-year experience in the same position in Jayabaya Hotel. Also, I have good motivation for progress and growing. Eager to learn and can work with a team or by myself. Besides, I'm good in English both spoken and written. I consider myself that I have qualification as you want.
Okay, thank you, Widi. The next one will be Artika.
I will express my gratitude for your attention and I hope I could be the part of your company. Sincerely, Dewi Sandra Maulia.
Okay, thank you. Give applause to your friends. Okay, so I think you have made some mistakes here. Jadi untuk yang bagian right-nya di sana dan M-nya, kalian hilangkan di situ ya. Jangan I'm right. Tapi hilangkan to be M-nya, jadi I right. Ya, itu tidak perlu menambahkan you should not add to be for this sentence. And then, I have enclose. Nah, enclose-nya itu tambahkan dengan D ya. Enclose. Ada huruf D-nya di belakang untuk present perfect jadinya ya kalimatnya. Tuh, diperhatikan. Now, could you please tell me what position does Dewi apply for?
She applied for pastry chef.
Okay, Sylvie, could you please tell me which sentence that shows your answer?
Paragraf pertama, Miss.
Okay, could you please read your sentence?
I am right to express my interest in applying as pastry chef that was advertised.
Okay, good. Give applause to your friends. All right. So I think you have understood about today's activity. And now, before we close our activity, could you please conclude what we have learned today?
We learned about how to write a good application letter.
Okay, very good. So we have learned about how to make a good application letter. How about another students?
I learned about parts of application letter, Miss.
Okay, so we have learned about parts of application letter. And then, okay, so could you please mention what are the parts of application letter?
Yes, Miss. They are heading, salutation, body of the letter, complimentary clause, and signature.
Okay, so remember that we have 5 parts of application letter. They are, the first one is heading, the second one is salutation, and then the third one is body of the letter, the fourth one is complimentary clause, and then the last one is signature. Okay, so do you have any problem?
No, miss.
No, I don't miss.
No? Okay, so I just want to remind you that after this class, you still have the formative test and also you have to do your homework in your LKPD. Okay? And then for the next week, we will have the same topic but with different activities. Alright, so before we close our class today, could you please prepare yourself because we should end our class by praying. Baik, berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai? Okay, I think that's all for today's activity. Thank you very much for your great attention and then have a nice day everyone.
Have a nice day, miss.
Miss.
Okay, see you.
See you.